Nurse Master Charlie presents Nursing Math, Calculating a Drip Rate. In order to calculate a drip rate, we must first know some information. What is a drip rate? Drip rate is the volume of the infusion calculated into drops. In order to calculate drops per minute, a drop factor is needed. Then, the formula for calculating the drip rate is the total volume in milliliters divided by time in minutes, multiplied by the drop factor in drops per milliliter, which will equal the rate in drops per minute. Here is what that formula looks like, the IV drip rate formula. We're going to take the volume divided by time multiplied by the drop factor equals the IV drip rate. That's the drops divided by minute multiplied by milliliter divided by minutes equals the drops divided by milliliter. The drip rate information is usually printed on the IV tubing bag. The macro drip delivers 10 to 20 drops per milliliter, mostly used to rapidly infuse large volumes. The micro drip delivers 60 drops per milliliter, mostly used to slowly infuse more precise doses or volumes of medications. Here are some important conversion factors to know. 1,000 milliliters is equivalent to 1 liter, and 60 minutes is equivalent to 1 hour. With all that said, the medication ordered for your patient is this. Infuse 2 liters of medication X over 24 hours intravenously. The IV tubing available has a drop factor of 60 drops per milliliter. What would the drip rate need to be in order for the medication to be infused in the ordered amount of time, in drops per minute? Here's the question, the formula, and we're going to take 2 liters, divide that by 24 hours, multiplied by 1,000 milliliters over 1 liter, a conversion, multiplied by 1 hour over 60 minutes, another conversion, multiplied by 60 drops per 1 milliliter, equals the drops per minute. We're going to cancel out the liters, we're going to cancel out the hours, we're going to cancel out the milliliters. That's going to leave us drops over minutes. Once we eliminate the units, we now have a math equation. 2 divided by 24 multiplied by 1,000 divided by 1 multiplied by 1 over the 60 minutes because those didn't go away, and the 60 drops because those didn't go away over 1 equals again the drops per minute. Our answer is going to be 120,000 divided by 1440. It's going to equal our drops per minute. If we use a calculator, we can come up with the answer. The answer is 83.33333. We're going to round to the nearest, which is going to give us 83 drops per minute. You can also simplify the number by reducing fractions if you want to. This is our equation. We are going to reduce the 2 over the 24. We're going to have 1 over 12. That's divided by 2. The 1,000 over 1 is going to stay the same. The 1 over the 60 minutes and the 60 drops, we are going to cancel out the 60s, which leaves us 1 minute and 1 drop. We do the multiplication again. We are going to have 1,000 over 12. It's going to equal our drops per minute. Again, if we do the math, it's still 83.33333. If you round to the nearest, we're going to have to round down. It's going to equal 83 drops per minute. If you would like me to review a certain type of medication question, let me know in the comments. Be sure to like, comment, follow, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.